Nane kuphi ngisukela ngumfana ngingakaze ngase ngamcela simakazi. Athi, baby, I want us to spend quality time together. Have you ever been to treetops? I'm like, no, ngisengake ngaze ngaye, but I've seen pictures. Ngathi indzawo lenhle. Oh, okay. I'm gonna take us there to spend one night. So tell me my off. I'm off on Wednesday. I tell him, so we plan because we're gonna go on Wednesday. Sharp, I figure Wednesday, I'm very excited. Ngishiya la ndlini ngiphekile but angidli, ngitshela sisi wami ukuthi no, angifuni nje kona sisu sami, because you know what, baby yongispoila mina namuhla. Kubebe. Anyways, siyahamba ke, ngiyampick up from his workplace nakashayisa. He drives. Ngihlala eceleni. Ekushayeleni kwakhe mina nginekuthi we gonna go past filling station ne. Surprise! Asijike filling station. I'm like, okay. I'm sure indzaba yepetrol to addresseka sengiyeke ngithule ngibuke ukuthi kutawukwendekani. Ekudriveni kwakhe bhuti achoose ukuthi utawusebenzisa the longest route. The longest, because ufuna kubonda. Ngithulile nalapho ngidebelekile nje uyabo. Akusiyo into lengihlupha kangako. Sihambe ke kusebusuku Nkosi yami, safika nje vele kuhlwile kanti day belina. You know? Weather for two belina. Sifike ke masifika aphume ahambe ayo-checka in. Check-in kwakhe in, he takes time. Athatha isikhathi lesidze to a point ukuthi nakabuya aqhamuke sekaphethe ama-menu athi we can just browse through the menu. I think now that sengicabanga abengihlakaniphela ne, we can just browse through the menus lamotweni and then ngidolihambisa li-order ngisacedisela loku-checka in, so that by the time ngicedza nekudla kutabe sek-right. Sharp. Siya browser ke, ngiyasho ngiyakhomba nami ngifuna lokhu nalokhu. Okay, mina I'm gonna have this skak. Baby, please buy us dinner. You know we are actor. Yi-movie nje lo yendako, but angiyati ukuthi itawuphuma nini. Ngibhadala njani mina? Ngisuswe nguwe, ngitihlelele endlini yami, angangaze ngathi ngifuna kolala out, ngisuswe nginyanye ngigweje nje like ngishintshe. Ngibone lokuthi lo mfu serious kule mfo lekayishoko. Ngikhokhela ikhadi, ngimnika ipin, aswipe mbamba. Umfana ngiyemeke angisanyanyanga kanje. Uyacedza timfo takhe nje tekuchecka in, mina ngisekho la. Kube akusiko ukuthi besikhashane ngangavele ngajika ngamshiya khona lapho ngabuya la kaManzini. Sidle akusangeni nje nalokudla. I'm just pissed. I ask for a takeaway. Siyahamba like info lengicikako kuyo yonke le info le unormal guy. Unormal aka-address ukuthi mina sengi-offish nani right nje nanje. Ngikansuke sithi nasifika la siya khona ngithi akangadi lo utawuhamba ngibuda. Sifike masifika vele nje angikho la, ngingene ngigeze nangiceda geza ngikhokhe amapijama ngiwagcoke ngiwadonse ngize ngiwafase ngiwabeka lapha semabele ngithi lo makangadi. Athi nasake ndageza yena ngale ngingenela ngubeni ngifake ama-earphones. I'm like, sitawulala ke namhla kuze kusi. Bathi uyazama making conversation nabone naye ukuthi ayikho ke le. Alale into ekhona la nangicansule. Shi. Uyabona mina I was just tossing and turning. Ngilokhu ngicabanga ukuthi it's a joke. At some point it's a joke nje. Ngabo 3 khona la bengicabanga khona nekuvuka ngigcoke ngimshiya qhamisile ngihambe nje. Avuke ekseni nje ikhanza yedwana. Sihlale sivuka ekseni, he goes for breakfast, uyangiphathela mina vela ngisekho kule mfo le. Ngifuna nje ukujika ngibuyele kaManzini. I'm like, nasijika la ndleleni no, let me address it because mina ngisumuntu lo utsandza kufela ngekhatsi ngiyamtshela you can't plan a trip and then ungitshele sesihlela sifika khona ukuthi udotsandza ngikhavarishwe nama-cost nanga 1 2 3 mina ngibhilivela ukuthi ngawungibhutile sisuka kokuthi nasingahamba siye kuphi would you be able wena kukhava lokho while mina ayikhava lokho wakho akangibhudi wena lokho aba like ke I was testing your loyalty ngishito vele ngathi uya-acta nangumfana nami I was testing if you have my back ibag yekuhlanya unayo imali yedina wena bongenayo this has got nothing to do with loyalty le statement leso sanginyanyisa kakhulu angikoni ngisho ukushayela my best friend angikoni because ngihambe ngichoma mina ukuthi hey wena mina I'm sleeping out nani nasifika la kamanzini ngimdrophe la kahla khona nangehla ngigadza mina ukuthi utonginika imali yepetrol utanginika imali yedina because ngendlela ngikhulume ngayo he was like ngidokurefund abe like no you can go ngidokusendela e-wallet I'm like nge-Pick n Pay nyalo so this would be the best time for you ukuthi ungisendele ngidofike ngikhokhe lapha kuma-ATMs athi okay ngisuke kuyena ngifike Pick n Pay ngime uyayisenda yini umfana imali uyayisenda yini umfana imali sengimndeni islima ngiphethe ngiyashaya kasangibambi at some point agcina ngibamba hayi nenkinga yelikhadi nani kwakuthi angihlafune liponza udiscovenini wena ukuthi unenkinga yelikhadi I think eve lapho kokuthi yabo lo mfulona sonyanye ufike kangci asende 208 ka-mobile money ngabe khona yini imoto leyake yasuka la yahamba nje impela yashona le posteki yabuya ihamba nga-200 ngicansuke ngifika la ndlini ngimunyu ngicocela siswami sigaca lesingivelele mfana like hayi as soon as nje ngilungisa likhadi lami ngidayisenda le mali ayisende yini ayisend sengigucuke ngeliphela mina onke lamalanga nangivuka ngifuna imali yami vele ngiyayifuna nje uyayibona nasofike kule point ukuthi umfu soqale nerealize ukuthi yini ngathi ufana nemfete konke lokubi sokubona lapha kuye ngase ngile stage leso ngimublock ngihle ngim-unblock I'm like no unblock lo muntu lemali ngidogcina ngakayitholi ngibone ukuthi wole imali ngiyithola ngitshela i-best friend yami ukuthi kude lo ngakwenda chomi ngalenza le athi ngiphezu kwayo wamshayela makamshayela wapretenda kuba liphoyisa nakapretenda kuba liphoyisa wamthusa umfana wabantu wavevetela ngena kuJuly wathi kunemvulo utokuvulela liqala phela bona lolwendile ungasusa umuntu omyise lesicela uvelela amaphoyisa akachuchanga kanje angithi bengivele ngikubona ukuthi kuweek lokho singathusa ngamaphoyisa wayisenda imali yami yabuya ngathi danko ngamblock and guys don't tell me ukuthi nga-overreact you cannot ususuma umfu la ufike la niyakhona umbhadalise into leningakakhulumi ngato angimati ukuthi ukuphila kambimba khona bhadalisa bami